Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Raditu billahi rabba wa bil islami dina wa bi Muhammadin nabiyyan wa rasula. Rabbi zidni ilma warzuqni fahma waj'alni min ibadika as-salihin. Amin. Today we would like to dive into new topics of Ism properties. Last time we have covered status, one of the Ism properties called status, and the topic that we would like to talk about for today is number. Anyway, these two topics, as mentioned on the module, is kind of overlapping each other. So today's class would be very quick. I believe it's gonna be very quick because when we talk about the status last time, some of the discussion already covered the topics of number as well. I will start with the categories of number. Basically, they are in English and perhaps in any other languages. We may distinguish one ism, one noun, a noun, or in Indonesia we call it kata benda. In Chinese we call it 名词. For that word, we can tell from the word, we can tell how many items, how many things embedded in that noun. And simply speaking, there is single and plural. If we talk about plural, let's say in English, how many do we need at least so then we can call some ism, some noun is plural? Two is enough. Okay, so as long as it's more than one, then it's plural. It's very simple. And singular is as it meant, so it's one, equal to one. In Arabic, there is one more category in between. So if we want to talk about plural, it must be three or above. Okay. So if the things that we talk about during our discussion is only two, we have another category called pair. Okay. Okay. Okay, so, and then I believe you still remember that. Again, the first category is singular. In Arabic we call it ism mufrad. I don't know whether it's already mentioned in here or not. Can you find it? Yes, mufrad. Isim mufrad. Did you get it? Second page. Isim mufrad. And for, I will make it in a different color. For pair, we may call it ism tasniyah. 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 Or ism muthna. Isim mufrad, isim tasniyah, and for plural, there are 4 categories plural in Arabic. The first plural, I will draw it in here, is people plural. Okay? People plural. In Arabic we call it ism jama' mudzakkar salim. Mudzakkar salim. Is it with alif? Muannas mudzakkar. Or let's say just jama' mudzakkar. When I was a child, my teacher told me the name is mudzakkar salim, ism jama' mudzakkar salim. And then another category is feminine. How to draw feminine? Okay, let's make a ribbon. Is it obvious? Not really? Or maybe I will give some extra in here. Okay. So this is ism jama' mu'annath. Mu'annath. Ism jama' mu'annath salim. Okay. How many do we got here now? 4. And then another one is, there is number 5 and 4. Sorry, 5 and 6. What should I draw them? Okay, in here maybe. We can use jama' takthir. In Arabic we call it jama' takthir, but then jama' takthir itself is categorized as jamak taksir for people and jamak taksir for non-people. In English, we may call it broken plural, but in here we will again differs. We will differ the broken plural into two parts: the non-human broken plural and human. How to use human broken plural? Or maybe I will break the something like this, maybe. It's broken. The human is broken. It's like cross. I will have to change it. Maybe. Okay, this is broken. So this one is. Where should I write it? Okay, let's here. Put here. This one is human. The human is broken, and it is a lot. So how many categories do we have? How many categories do we have? 6. What are they? Singular, pair, people plural, feminine plural. I forget to write down the English. Feminine plural, human broken plural, and non-human broken plural. I haven't yet broken this one. How to make it broken? Okay, it's broken. Okay. The category that I drew in black, we can distinguish or we can tell from the ending sounds. So singular, human broken plural, and non-human broken plural, we can tell the category from its ending sound. And the rest of them, people plural, feminine plural, and pair, we can tell whether it is all of those are in those categories because it's ending combination. Okay, let me test you. Isra, what is the ending combination for people plural? When we talk about status, what is the ending combination? The possible ending combination for people plural.
So for men, right? For masculine.
Yeah.
Alif. Mani.
Huh?
No. Muslimani. Right?
Muslimun,
Una and Ina.
Oh, that's what I mean.
Good. Louis, how is about the feminine plural?
feminine plural, Muslim, Mati,
And what is the other? Yes, two possibilities. Atun or Atin. How is about pair? how many possible solution, how many possible ending combinations for pair? Kevin? Ina? No, Ina is for people plural. Ani, remember SB. Ani and Aini. Okay. So again, maybe for us, it's easier to tell the people whether it's people plural, whether it's a feminine plural or pair, whether it's a ism jamak mudzakkar salim, jamak muannath salim, or ism tathniya from the ending combination. It's a lot easier. But then when we find some words we differ, or we distinguish that word is ending sound, then we meet a problem. We face a problem whether it's hard for us to determine whether it's just singular or plural, because it's alike. So the rafa form will be all is un or u. The nasab form will be fathah, a or an. The jar version will be in or e. All of them are the same. So how do we distinguish whether some ism is broken plural, non-human broken plural, human broken plural, or singular? Do you know how to do that? Then in this case we need the dictionary. This is something that exactly the vocabulary will put some significance, put the main role for us to help us distinguish those isms are broken plural, singular, or whether it's a non-human or human broken plural. Okay, so let's make it some. Before we go to some exercise, I would like to give you some information, an extra information. First information, number one, for feminine plural. Again, for feminine plural, it has not only to be people, but it could be also non-people or non-human. How to distinguish whether some ism are feminine plural? By its ending combinations. What is its ending combination? Atun, atin. Okay, for example, from Surah Al-Asr, wal-Asr, innal insana lafi khusrin illa alladhina amanu wa amilus salihati. As-salihat, is it the person? Is it the people? Good deeds, isn't it?
Yes.
Do good deeds. Is a good deeds a people? No, but it is a feminine plural. Okay, another simple example. As-samawat, skies. Is sky people, person? No, but it is feminine plural. Okay, so it's not only about mu'minat, muslimat. Okay, so it's also possible that the feminine plural ism jama' muannas salim is also not human. Okay, that's the first thing that I would like to share with you. The second thing, this is very weird rule in Arabic. In Arabic, the most weirdest rule in Arabic. When Arabs people talking about non-human broken plural, they will treat them as a singular feminine. Yeah. For example, I will give you some simple example. Let's say Aisha bought 4 books. She read each of her very fast. Did you notice some weird thing in here? Her. What should it be? Them. Each of them, right? After finishing, she returned all of her to the store, even though she liked her very much. Did you hear something weird in here? Her. What should it be? Them. Anyway, in Arabic, we will find that in grammar, Arabs people, again, this is the weirdest rule in Arabic. This things. So if we find some plural for non-human or things, Arabs will treat them as a girl, a single feminine. Okay, and we will find some examples later on. Okay, so now would you please open the module? Yes.
Just for the non-human or also for the humans too?
Just for the non-human. Just for non-human. Open your exercise. The daily module. At first, please do not watch the left side, so just focus on the right side. Maintaining. Singular, plural, pair, singular. Maintain, singular. How do you know that this is singular? Ending sounds. But as we understood, the ending sounds branch into 3 categories. In here, again, the only way to determine that is by knowing the definition. Check the dictionaries, or in this case, check the left side. Mulaquna is the plural ending combination, so we do not need to even check for the meaning inside the dictionary. Then we already understand. Mulaquna is a people plural. Ta'ifataini, feminine? Sure? It's pair. Mu'ridin.
Plural.
What plural? What kind of plural?
People. Plural.
People plural. Bil haqqi. Bil haqqi. Al haqq. Singular. Before we move into the problem number 6, let me give you some. I forget to mention about the example of broken plural. Let's say singular form of book. Kitabun. Kitabun. What is the jama'? This is the singular, and jama' is kutubun. Kutubun. Kutuban. Kutubi. Kutubin. Okay. And the last, it depends on the status. Okay. Kutubun, kutuban, or kutubin. Another example. Rasul. Rasul. Rasulan. Rasulin. What is the broken plural for this? The jama' taksir? Rusulun. Rusulan. Rusulin. Okay? You can find these examples inside your daily model, the page number 1. And the last one is kafir. My Arabic is kind of cute. Kafir. The jama' would be kufur. Kufuran. Kufurin. And there's I think I need to mention this as well. In English, by default, a noun, if we have the single form of that, the default form of plural in English usually something ending with s. Okay? And there is kind of a minor or small part of the nouns in English are broken or irregular, like a mice, geese, teeth. Okay, but in Arabic, by default, the plural of each isms are broken. Okay, that's the default, because we cannot put s or something, so it's a normal. So then the dictionaries become very important in here. Okay, already 28 minutes, so I will leave the rest of the exercise for you to work on at your home. Do you have home? No. At your dormitory or whatever you call it. And inshallah we will talk about different topics tomorrow for the next session, and inshallah it's gonna be gender, so stay tuned. So we will return later on inshallah with genders topic. Barakallahu walakum fil Qur'anil azim wa nafa'ani min al-ayati wa dzikr hakim. Aqulu qawli hadza wa astaghfir innahu huwal ghafurur rahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.